Minister of Works and Transport Rohan Sinanan says the High Court ruling instructing the Port Authority of Trinidad and Tobago to turn over documents relating to the procurement of passenger vessels to former UNC Minister Devant Maharaj has nothing to do with the Galleons Passage. In a media conference today, Minister Sinanan said the request was made to PATT with regard to the procurement of vessels prior to the Galleons Passage. More from Mahalia Joseph-Wharton.
In a media conference on Tuesday, former Government Minister Devant Maharaj said he was victorious in the High Court as he won a judgment against the Port Authority of Trinidad and Tobago to receive documents relating to the tendering process leading up to the acquisition of the Galleons Passage. In December 2017, Mr. Maharaj sought information under the Freedom of Information Act on the Tenders Committee at the PATT, including its composition, the qualifications of its members, and the details of the report it submitted. But Minister of Works and Transport Rohan Sinanan on Wednesday said at that point in time the Galleons Passage was not on the cards.
And there was the procurement of the ocean floor, which was cancelled, and then we went into this tender. And coming out of this is when the Cabinet appointed a Cabinet Committee. After this process was abandoned, again, I think this is about the fourth or fifth process that was abandoned, Cabinet decided to appoint a Cabinet Committee to ensure that we had a vote.
Minister Sinanan made the documents requested by Mr. Maharaj available to the media, which included the evaluation report for the ferries in the tender and letters between him and the former PATT chairman.
I have advised the port that against their legal team that we have a very good case to appeal the decision. We will not appeal the decision because there's nothing to hide. Because if we appeal the decision, then the detractors will continue to say, you see, they have something to hide.
In his press conference, Mr. Maharaj noted that the letters he received contained redactions. The Minister of Works and Transport said the redaction simply refers to Cabinet Minute number 1501, dated August 17, 2017, which gave the Port Authority the permission to procure a passenger vessel. Mahalia Joseph-Wharton, TTT News.